out the basement, let's take it all. It happens to everyone. You're not the only one, girl. This is called growing up. Sugar, be careful but still have fun.
Customer, how far?
I appreciate.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Alright, bye bye. So I'm headed to pick up my package from GIG. Yes, someone was kind enough to send me a dildo to unbox and review, and I'm super excited about that. So follow me, let's go.
You're my twilight when it's softly dark and I lost my way. 'Cause when my life feels off the mark, you put me back in place. You're my twilight. Baby, my well over me. Dirty, oh, love me. Dirty, oh, love me. No, no, no. Baby, my well over me. Dirty, oh, love me. Dirty, oh, love me. No, no, no. Baby, my
Alright, thank you very much. You, oh my god. Welcome back, I'm fine. Smile, turn back and smile. This is for my vlog. Let me take you in front of GIG. Just stay there. Hey, walk towards me, walk towards me. A hot babe is back in UMUAHIA. Hey. Yes, the video. So I am back here. I like these flowers a lot. Oh, the snail is not there today. They're so pretty. Oh. Let's see. Yeah.
No, let me do it.
Hey, okay. So only one is actually quite broad.
I want to do one of
I only
It's
want
fine,
this
though.
color.
these. I just want to put the two of them here.
Are you sure it will be fine?
Yeah.
What kind of color is it?
Pink.
What type of pink? Is it that deep pink?
Look at it. See the pink there. The thing is folding now. You're not seeing this one has already folded. Fold
I want to trust you. Oh yeah, let me trust you. You're my expert advisor. If you say I should take it.
Yes, take the two colors.
But it normally closes faster than the other one.
Yes. When it closes, the other one will still close.
Are you sure it's fine?
Fine.
Sure, I can't put 3 inside.
No, 3 cannot be inside. Let's not put money.
Manure.
Hands above us, feels like someone lifted me. Arms like covers, feels like someone sent for me. We peeking. Hands above us, feels like someone.
I hope it will be fine, sir.
It will be fine.
Can they come more to the middle?
More I will do.
Yeah. Yeah. She was a fan, but a friend didn't care. I like the ones who buy their own damn beers. If you want to toast to the life that you live, pour enough shots for the whole year. Jet black hair, baby, jet black hair. Matte black Jeep with the